Well, just know that you have a judgment.
Well, we were defenders last time we played, so we're pretty good at that.
Wait, do we just we're at the blue barrels, man. Wow, we only get good at blue barrels?
Dude, we have to defend it, dude.
So do we just sit in here and shoot everyone?
No, we have to get out.
Wait, are you videotaping it? Oh, hi Frankie, you're gay.
I know, but I'm saying it's cool.
You wish you were here with us, huh? In the truck.
I don't think I told him. Stupid.
I used to have that guy.
Frankie had his first kid in here. See, look at this, honey. Look at that crap. His taco spit. Someone.
I'm gonna stop it when we start going, okay?
Oh, you haven't even started?
Yeah, I'm gonna stop it when we start going.
No, keep going it.
I'm not gonna jump out the truck with one glove off, no sling, and my holding the phone.
You don't have a sling on?
Yeah, it's right here.
Put it on. Wow, I'm vibrating. You know what that means?
Yeah.
Dude. The beans. Smells like diesel.
Smell that?
Smells good.
It's like gas.
Yeah.
Where are you from, boy?